Welcome to 330 Brandywine Road in Chapel Hill, North Carolina. Chapel Hill Carrboro City Schools and county taxes. This 2174 square foot, 4-bedroom, 2.5 bath provides you the privacy, peaceful, natural setting that you are looking for. Let's go on inside. As you enter is the front foyer and the stairs to the second floor with the 4 bedrooms and 2 baths. Over on the left, we are passing the front hall closet. The living room with refinished hardwood flooring, a remote controlled gas fireplace. On the right-hand side of the front foyer is the dining room and the door into the kitchen. As we walk down the front foyer, we enter the eating area, breakfast nook, and the living room is on the left as you walk into the breakfast nook and your half bath. As you look over to the other side of the breakfast eating area, you'll see the kitchen with solid wood cabinetry. And this kitchen was renovated. As you continue from the kitchen, you go into the next room, which makes a wonderful home office. Lots of built-in cabinetry, plantation blinds, a private entrance from outside, and then a beautiful view of the backyard. When you get to the top of the stairs of the second floor, the hall bath is in front of you. To the right is the owner's bedroom, and there are plantation blinds in all of the windows upstairs. Large closet for the owner's suite on the right, and then a renovated bathroom, again with plantation blinds. A shower stall, as we continue down the hall on the second floor, the hall bath, with double sinks. There are 2 linen closets on the hall, one here on the left and one on the right. One of 3 secondary bedrooms. Number 2 of the 3 secondary bedrooms. And then the 3rd secondary bedroom. As you walk out from the sliding glass door from the breakfast nook in the kitchen, you enter the deck and the beautiful natural area in the backyard, including a storage shed. And over on this right side of the backyard, you do have a fenced-in area. We look forward to your visit, summertime in Brandywine, and come see us.